Feel free to return to Coin Lady channel at any time. Dear everyone, here in today's video, we'll go over all the latest news, including whether Luna Classic can break out of its current bearish trend and what Terra Classic has in store. So, to begin, is it possible for LUNC to reverse its current downward trend? Due to LUNC's trading at the $15 mark in the last week of March, Terra Classic can see a drop of more than 20%. A major reason cited by analysts for this gloomy outlook is the high inflation rate in the lungs. On the other hand, Terra Classic bulls think LUNC is a solid cryptocurrency to invest in due to the token's tremendous development activity and the market capitalization rises it has been experiencing. Take Terra Classic as an example. On March 25th, they announced the introduction of the much-needed V2-1 chain upgrade. As a result, a number of cryptocurrency analysts are projecting that LUNC's value might rise above the $25 mark, with a zero at the end of April. Also, let's not forget that GPTchat estimates the price of Terra Classic for April 30th. Many in the crypto community are of the opinion that the market is currently experiencing a bull cycle, which is why Bitcoin hit a new all-time high in March. Aside from the tremendous increase in LUNC USTC values, the Terra Classic community is eagerly anticipating the second leg of the bull run now that Bitcoin is just around the corner. Up 16% is LUNC. This last month, we checked ChatGPT to determine its potential ascent by April 30th, 2024. ChatGPT offered fascinating and hopeful forecasts. A few influencing elements were used by the chatbot to back up its predictions, according to ChatGPT. In terms of Lunc prices by April 30th, two major outcomes are conceivable. First, we have the situation where prices are expected to rise steadily, with an average forecast of $3. The current trade price is $0.342, thus this would be a 99% rise. Optimism reigns in ChatGPT's second scenario. If the Terra Classic environment experiences some good news, the price could rise to $0.0003 in this case. Until the 30th of April. More favorable mood surrounding USTC is increasing in the Sri Lankan market, and recent advancements, such as the Terra Classic V.2, have contributed to a price gain of almost 225%. LUNC's actual price on April 30th could be greater or lower, as GPT pointed out. As a result of the unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency market, it ranked various elements impacting pricing. Investor confidence in the market as a whole has a major bearing on the value of individual tokens. Major news events involving Terra Classic, or the cryptocurrency market as a whole, as well as changes in regulations, rising adoption, and development activity within the Terra Classic ecosystem, are all factors that ChatGPT identified as having an impact on price fluctuations. What follows is an analysis of whether or not DAP integration will propel LUNC to new heights of success. Amazingly, LUNC's market performance and tenacity in the past few months have been nothing short of extraordinary. At present, Terra Classic is priced at $0.3242, representing a rise of more than 4%. However, LUNC has recently experienced volatility characterized by a small downward trend. Last day, LUNC's market value reached an incredible $832 million, solidifying its position as the market leader among 111 cryptocurrencies. However, due to a modest market adjustment, trading volume dropped by 7%, reaching $54 million. Both the introduction of new binary components and the implementation of the V2 upgrade have contributed significantly to the recent momentum of the cryptocurrencies. Verified testing facilities have noted that these updates substantially enhance app integration and fortify the enterprise's DDoS capabilities. With the latest update to their security package, The Terra Classic development team has made even more strides in improving network performance and security. The price of LUNC might see substantial upward momentum if bulls get back on the horse and manage to break through the $15 resistance level, which is 0.30s. If the positive trend keeps pushing, the value of Lunc might fall to its support level of about 0.30s, but this could also cause the currency to reach the main resistance mark of $0.201. $13, a support level at the 0.30s, can be reached if the price continues to fall due to persistent negative tendencies. $11 ongoing bullish trend is hinted at by both the MACD and the Chiken money flow indicators. Regardless of the setback that occurred recently, bullish trend strength is indicated by the MACD and signal lines staying above the baseline. Bullish market sentiment is reflected in the CMF's positive reading of 0.04. In the aftermath of a bearish period, the oscillators have turned neutral, pointing to a potential bullish breakthrough. The amazing oscillator, in particular, has shown a transition from bullish to bearish momentum, with its green bars now turning red. According to the RSI, it shows a neutral market, with a reading of 48.91. Let's not forget that Nance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, burnt 4.17 billion Terra Classic tokens in its 20th round of the LUNC burn mechanism. Following Nance's most recent fire, the cryptocurrency exchange's net LUNC burn has risen above 56 billion. Nance, a cryptocurrency exchange, sent 4.17 billion Terra Luna Classic tokens to the burn address in the 20th batch of the LUNC burn mechanism. This occurred between February 29th and March 30th, and the total number of tokens burned by the Terra Luna Classic community has reached nearly 110 billion. Since March, when Nance burnt 2.1 billion Terra Classic tokens, because to trading costs on both spot and margin trading pairs, the finance sector has burned approximately 56 billion tokens. Under the leadership of new CEO Richard Tang, the crypto exchange keeps burning LUNC every month, fulfilling the promise made to the classic Terra Luna community by former CEO Changpeng Zhao. While the daily burn rate has dropped compared to earlier months, the trade volume on crypto exchanges has stayed greater, because to the growth in LUNC price. After Binance burnt up more than 4 billion LUNC, the price of Terra traditional ecosystem tokens LUNC and USTC recovered, bringing them back up to 3% of their original value, in the midst of a significant surge in the price of Bitcoin and altcoins. The price has fluctuated between 0.3 and $142, representing the peak and low points over the last 24 hours. A further 8% drop in trade volume over the past day is worth noting. Still, derivative traders don't seem to be trading much according to LUNC futures data right now. In the meantime, the price of USTC dropped 2% in the past 24 hours, and it is now trading at $0.0276. At its lowest point, it's at $0.027, and at its highest point, it's at $0.0289. Trading activity has increased in the last day by a whopping 80%. The question of whether or not Terra Classic will reach $1 finally comes up. A lot of people paid attention to the Terra project in its early years, because of its innovative decentralized lending up anchor protocol, and other efforts in the decentralized finance arena. Also at this time, Luna was doing really well financially. Over the course of 2021, Luna's value increased steadily, going from 64 cents on January 2nd to $85 on December 31st, a gain of more than 10,000%. A number of first quarter peaks occurred the next year as well, the most recent of which was $119 on April 5, 2022. However, the US dollar lost its peg to the dollar in May of that year, and the currency fell to below $1. Coincident with the USD's support for Luna, the value of Luna plummeted to a record low of 0.40 as a result of mass panic selling. $167, just 30 days after its renaming to Terra Classic on May 28, 2022, it hit its peak in April of that year. Even though there have been some ups and downs, the price has remained much lower than $1. The cryptocurrency world has seen a one-of-a-kind adventure from Terra Classic. The consequent uncertainty surrounding its price trajectory is substantial. Price increases may be possible if the Terra Classic community successfully communicates the security of love to the wider crypto community, although market sentiment is likely to play a crucial part. The delisting of Terra Classic by Crypto.com, the Terraport financing breach, or the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission fraud accusations against Terraform Labs following its bankruptcy, are all examples of unfavorable publicity that could hinder prospective investors and lead to additional selling. The ability of the Terra Classic quant team to repeg its USD stablecoin, despite the enormous effort, is equally uncertain. Successful completion of this task would revitalize the ecology. The constant burning of Terra Classic coins also reduces their availability in circulation, which could lead to a spike in demand in the future. The LUNC price could be significantly boosted by this method. Therefore, what are your thoughts on when Terra Classic will hit $1? Please note that I am not trying to get you to invest in Bitcoin or buy any cryptocurrency through this video. We've finished filming the video. Leave a comment with your ideas, and as always, hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date. Hope to see you again soon. Farewell.